If your 2008 Kia Sportage is refusing to crank or start, we are going to find the cause in under 2 minutes. Nearly half of all starting issues on this specific model year are traced back to a weak battery or corroded terminals. Before you start buying expensive parts, let's follow a logical diagnostic path to save you money. Start with the basics by checking your battery health and ensuring the shifter is fully seated in the park position. If you hear a single click but no crank, your starter relay might be the culprit, which is a $5 fix. If the engine cranks but won't fire, listen for the fuel pump hum when you first turn the key to the on position. Know when to tackle it yourself and when it is time to call a professional for more complex electrical issues. Repair costs can range from a $15 relay to a $500 fuel pump replacement. Try tapping the starter motor while someone turns the key. This can often get a stuck motor to turn one last time. Keep a basic 10mm socket and a cheap multimeter in your trunk for emergency roadside diagnostics. Remember that simple preventive maintenance is always cheaper than an unexpected tow truck bill. Check that battery first and you will likely be back on the road in no time. See you in the next fix.